What's up, man? I got my 96 Impala. I was outside playing around, burning out and stuff, and I guess I bust my belt. I'm gonna change my serpentine belt. All you need, 13 extension. It's not a breaker bar, but it's a big wrench. So came out here to O'Reilly's. Finna go ahead and change out this serpentine belt. I don't want to hear no squealing, none of that. I want to hear number pipes and music. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and get to it. Trying to get the belt, get the right belt. I don't want to get the wrong belt. They had a part number out there on the car. Had to get somebody from the inside. Come help me out. Guy came and got it for me. Appreciate it. It's the right belt right here. See where I'm at. Yo, what's up? I had to come to the crib right quick. I had the wrong 13. I don't know how I did it. I had the wrong socket. I don't know how I did that, but got the right socket. Finna snatch this belt off. Put my new belt on. Went and got it from O'Reilly's. Let me go ahead and knock it out.